What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another recap video of the Pedal Commander. Thank you for tuning into today's video, and if you are a new viewer, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of when we drop a new video. And if you're feeling really awesome today, please hit that thumbs up at the end of this video. Every thumbs up and likes and shares and all that jazz helps our channel grow. Alright, so let's get into the Pedal Commander recap. As I stated in the last video, this one I turned off my Pedal Commander, and for 200 miles I drove like a normal Jeep. No assistance with the Pedal Commander. So let's see the mileage I got. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I'm at the end of the 200 mile test of not using the Pedal Commander. So let's see what miles per gallon we ended up at. 13.1. So no Pedal Commander. I'm at 13.1 miles per gallon. All right, 13.1 miles per gallon with no Pedal Commander. So that basically equals the best performance with the Pedal Commander of Sport Plus 2, which was also at 13.1 miles per gallon. So no Pedal Commander, 13.1 miles per gallon. But the issue is that you have that lag with the Jeep with the gas pedal, so the Jeep is not as responsive, and it's definitely noticeable when driving, and especially, like I've said before, when pulling out from stop signs, merging into traffic and such. When you press the gas pedal, there's that lag, and you don't feel the Jeep doesn't pick up. With the Pedal Commander, at least I feel when you press the pedal, you actually go somewhere. Alright, so it's not really looking good for that 20% increase in gas mileage that the Pedal Commander claims. And so now I've decided to run the Pedal Commander on Eco mode. So we're doing another 200 mile test, and I just recently filled that up and reset my miles per gallon. Alright, what's up, everybody? I just reset the miles per gallon after running no Pedal Commander, and now I've switched the Pedal Commander to Eco mode at +4. Alright, and we're going to run it for another 200 miles, and I set it to Eco mode +4. So currently, it's been about a couple days now I've been driving. The responsiveness of the Jeep is definitely maybe 50% from like a sport mode, and it's 50% greater than no Pedal Commander. So we'll see if the miles per gallon equals what not using the Pedal Commander, or if we'll actually see an improvement. So I don't know, your guess is as good as mine, because right now there seems to be no improvement in miles per gallon using the Pedal Commander. So yeah, I don't know. To some of you it might not be worth the investment, but I guess we'll see how it works out. If you have any questions about how I've been testing the Pedal Commander, leave a comment down below and I'll reply as best I can. Other than that, that's all I got. It's a quick little video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And don't forget, we have some great Jeep t-shirts in our Teespring store. That's linked down below this video. So go check that out. That'd be great. All those sales go towards this channel. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video or on the trail.